Welcome to section 1.4, writing equations and inequalities. In the last two videos, we went over the phrase PEMDAS, which stood for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. As usual, this is the Michigan Edition Algebra 1 textbook, where I got these examples from. Let's dive right in. The first one says to write the verbal phrase as an equation. The difference of twice a number y and 21 is 9. So we already know it says, if it says is something, we can already assume it's equal. It uses an equal sign. It says it's equal to 9, so we can immediately rule out option C as it says it's equal to negative 9. The others look good so far, so let's move on. The difference of twice a number y and 21, right? So it says twice a number y, so it would be 2 times y and 21. They say it's the difference of the first term minus the second term. So it would be 2y minus 21 is equal to 9. This would be your option. This matches with option D. Thus, the answer is D. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Let's just get some space over here. They say, write the verbal phrase as an inequality. Now, because they said an inequality, we can already assume that it has a greater than and equal to, a less than and equal to, a greater than, or a less than symbol. So if we go right here, let's do this in a green, is at least this, the product of a number 9 and a number n is at least 68. Because they say at least, we can assume that they're referring to the greater than or equal to sign. So they say something over here, this blank is greater than or equal to 68. This blank would be filled in with this portion over here, the product of 9 and the number n. So they're saying 9 times n is greater than or equal to 68. So right here would be a 9 times n is greater than or equal to 68. 9 times n, thus the option B, D. Go ahead and try the triad problems. These are number 2 and number 3 are very easy. You just have to watch out for number 1 because it has two inequalities. But when they say no less, I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint here. When they say no less than something, they're referring that n is greater than or equal to something. So right here it would be 3 is greater than or equal to n. And then I'll let you figure out the rest. Hopefully you get a good feel as to how this is. Um, and I'll see you next time.